In this video, I'll show you how to quickly replace the battery in an iPhone 13. As usual, you want to take out the two pentalobe screws with a pentalobe screwdriver. Then grab our heat plate, which is set at 90 degrees. Place our iPhone on the heat plate facing down for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, I'll grab my opening tool to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Try to wiggle back and forth. If it feels difficult, don't force it. Grab 99% rubbing alcohol and place a little bit between the opening made by the opening tool and keep wiggling the opening tool. You can repeat the process of putting the phone on the heat plate for about 30 seconds and apply more rubbing alcohol while you keep wiggling your opening tool. This will continue to soften the adhesive until you can make an actual gap where you can now insert your guitar pick and slice through the adhesive holding down the screen. As usual, if it feels difficult, apply more rubbing alcohol and this should help soften the adhesive and you should be able to cut through easier. Once you start getting close to the top of the screen, stop and go around to the other side, because if you try to use the guitar pick to open the top of the screen, you might end up breaking it because there are two hooks holding down the top of the screen. And once you get to the top, I like to wiggle the bottom side to side, apply a little bit of alcohol on both corners, wiggle some more, then your phone should be open. Now open it to the left side. Next, we want to take out the two shields holding down the battery's flex cables and the flex cables connected to the screen. Use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the 3 screws on the bottom shield. Once the shield is out, right away we want to disconnect the battery. Then take out the 3 screws holding out the other flex cable. So of the screws, we can use a Phillips screwdriver, but for the last screw, we'll need a tri-point screwdriver. Then disconnect the 2 flex cables. And there you have the screen out. To easily take out the battery, I like to apply 99% rubbing alcohol to the top. That way it flows in. Same thing in the bottom, letting it flow down. And place the phone on the heat plate to let the alcohol and heat soften the adhesive. While the phone's on the heat plate, I'll grab a plastic spudger, then lift the battery from the side. That easy, the battery's out. Now I'll put the replacement battery. To get the battery to stick, I like to use double-sided tape on the top, on the bottom right, and on the bottom left. Then to align my replacement battery properly, I'll connect the battery flex to the connector, and I'll push down the battery and press down gently. Once I feel the battery is firm, I'll disconnect the battery, then reconnect the screen. I'll connect the 2 flex cables, then connect the battery. Now screw down both shields, starting with the top, then the bottom. Then I'll snap back the screen, starting from the top, all the way to the bottom. And don't forget to put back your 2 pentalobe screws. Turn on the phone to test. And now you have your phone with a new battery. If you'd like to see more videos like this, check the video on the right. And for more repair videos, check the playlist on the left. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.